just a continuation of the products of two binomials. Pero this time, we only focus on the square of a binomial. So ang objective natin ngayon is to find the product of the square of a binomial. By the way, di ba pag sinabing binomial, it is a polynomial with two terms. So the square of a binomial is written in the form of the quantity of x plus y raised to 2, or it is equal to the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x plus y, wherein the product of the square of the binomial is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So by using the long method, ito yun kung bakit nag-come up tayo sa x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So lagi niyong tatandaan na ang tawag po sa product ng square of a binomial ay perfect square trinomial. So ibig sabihin, lahat na magiging product ng square of a binomial is a perfect square trinomial. So pag sinabi naman na trinomial, it is a polynomial with three terms. Okay. Therefore, to find the product of the square of the binomial, ito lang po yung tatandaan nyo. Diba kung mapapansin nyo dyan, the quantity of x plus y raised to 2 is equivalent to x raised to 2 plus 2xy plus y squared. Ibig sabihin po, ang magiging product ng square of a binomial is a trinomial composing ng first term, second term, and the last term. Ang first term ng product natin dito ay yung x raised to 2. Yung second term or middle term natin dito ay yung 2xy. And yung last term na magiging sagot natin dito ay yung y raised to 2. So ito lang yung tatandaan nyo. So ang magiging sagot natin sa first term, ang gagawin nyo dun sa square of a binomial, di ba? Binomial. Ang gagawin nyo doon sa first term ng sagot natin is we're going to square the first term. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin itself yung first term ng binomial twice itself. Yun yung magiging sagot natin sa first term. Ano naman ang magiging sagot natin sa second term? Ang magiging sagot natin sa second term, you're going to get the twice the product of the first and the last term. Ibig sabihin daw po, i-multiply nyo daw po yung first term and yung last term ng binomial. After nyong ma-multiply and makuha yung product ng first term and last term ng binomial, i-multiply nyo ulit ito sa 2. Then, the product of it will be the middle term or the second term of our answer. Next, ano yung magiging third term ng ating sagot? Ang magiging third term ng ating sagot will be the square of the last term. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply naman natin itself yung last term twice or i-multiply natin itself twice. Yun yung magiging sagot natin sa third term. Nakuha po. So for example, ito yun. Find the square of the quantity of y plus 6. So ang gagawin natin, ano daw ang magiging product ng square ng binomial na y plus 6 or the quantity of y plus 6? We all know that the first term is the variable y. The second term or the last term of the binomial is the number 6. So ang gagawin nyo lang, di ba, we have the quantity of y plus 6 raised to 2. Di ba ang magiging sagot natin ay trinomial? So we have the first term, meron tayo dyan ng box. We have the second term or the middle term, and we have the last term. So yung tatlong yan, pipil up pa natin. So ang magiging sagot, di ba natin, trinomial. Di ba sa first term, ang gagawin natin sa first term ng sagot natin, ay i-square natin yung first term ng binomial. Ano yung first term ng binomial? We have y. So therefore, we have y squared or the quantity of y raised to 2. Sunod, ano ang magiging sagot natin sa middle term? Ang magiging sagot natin sa middle term ay, di ba, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin yung first term, yung y, and yung last term na 6, Then, imumultiply natin ulit ito sa 2 or it is twice the product of the first term and the last term of the given binomial. So, ito yon. So, we have 2 times the quantity of y times the quantity of 6. And doon sa last term, di ba ang gagawin natin sa last term na magiging product natin ay i-square natin yung last term. Ano yung last term ng binomial? We have 6. So, mahigi siyang 6 raised to 2. Then, by evaluating, therefore, we have now the product of the square of the binomial y plus 6 is equal to y raised to 2 plus 12y plus 36. So, bakit naging y squared plus 12y plus 36? So, di ba, we have y raised to 2, it is equivalent to y squared. We have positive 2 times y times 6. So, 2 times y, 2y, times 6. So, 2 times 6, we have 12. 12 times y, we have 12y. Kung mapansin nyo po, lahat yan positive. Therefore, yung mga operations natin dito ay positive. So, bakit naman naging 36? Kasi 6 raised to 2 or dalawang 6 ang imamultiply nyo, we have 6 times 6. Okay po. How about this? So, halimbawa, syempre, yung naunang operation is addition. How about if it is a subtraction? So, let's say, we're going to find the square of the binomial y minus 6. So, ibig sabihin, this is another case. Yung naunang case, ang operation ng binomial ay addition. Yung pangalawang case or ito, ang operation ng binomial na to ay subtraction. So, di ba alam natin, ang first term natin is yung y, ang last term natin ay yung 6. So, yan. So, we're looking for the product of the square of the binomial y minus 6 raised to 2. So, the same lang. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging product natin ay 3 terms. So, we have the first term, the second term or the middle term, and the last term. Ngayon, anong gagawin natin? Diba sa first term, uulitin ko ulit. Sa first term, ang gagawin nyo lang ay you need to get the square of the first term of the binomial. Nakuha po. So, ang mangyayari, maigi siyang y raised to 2. Sa middle term, ano yung magiging middle term niya? So, ang magiging middle term niya is we're going to get or twice the product of the first term and the second term. So, ano yung first term? We have y. Ano yung second term? 6. Ano yung andyan? Negative 6 kasi minus. So, magiging siyang 2 times y times negative 6. Okay po. Next, ano yung magiging last term natin? Ano yung last term ng binomial? 6. Ano yung sign ng 6? Negative. So, ibig sabihin, we have negative 6 raised to 2. Then, the resulting product is equal to y squared minus 12y plus 36. So, magtatanong kayo, bakit naging negative 12y? So, ganito yon. Or bakit naging minus 12y? Ganito po yun. So, y raised to 2. So, y raised to 2 or y times y is y squared. Bakit naging siyang minus 12y or negative 12y? Kasi, positive 2 times negative 6. So, ibig sabihin, if we multiply unlike sign or pag nagmumultiply tayo ng magkaibang sign, ang nagiging product ay negative. That's why 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Then copy lang natin yung variable na y. Bakit sir naging positive 36 o bakit naging plus 36? Kasi pag nagmumultiply naman tayo ng magkaparehong sign, ang nagiging sign ay positive. So therefore, negative times negative is positive or negative 6 raised to 2, dalawang negative 6. So negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. Therefore, the product of the square of the binomial y minus 6 raised to 2 is equal to y raised to 2 minus 12y plus 36. And ito po yung mga iba pang examples. Ipa-flash ko na lang po, hindi na po ako magbo-voice over. Okay po. Dito sa example na to, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong negative 3x raised to 2 plus 5. So mapapansin nyo, hindi naman po yan wala naman pong pinagkaiba yan doon sa mga naunang example. Pareho lang yan. So ganito po yan. So ang first term natin dyan, yung negative 3x raised to 2. Yung last term natin dyan, yung 5. Dapat 5 po yan, yung 5 yan. Ito yan. Magiging sagot natin ganito lang naman. Yan. So first term, middle term, last term. So ano yung magiging first term nyo? Negative 3x raised to 2. Middle term, twice the product of the first term and the last term, wherein we have 2 times negative 3x raised to 2 times 5. Then yung last term, 5 raised to 2. So the resulting product is equal to 9x raised to the 4th power minus 30x raised to 2 plus 25. Yan lang po. So ito lang po muna yung mga example. So dapat dito, dapat ay natandaan nyo yung sa laws of exponents. Kasi if nahihirapan kayo sa laws of exponents, dapat alam nyo na muna yung laws of exponents bago dito. Kasi kung hindi nyo pa masyadong kabisado yung laws of exponents, mahihirapan po talaga kayo. So I think na-explain ko naman kung paano yung square of a binomial. Always remember that the product of the square of a binomial is always a perfect square trinomial. Okay, goodbye, thank you, and God bless.